Hello everyone, we are back with a new concept of real numbers of class 10. It's Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division algorithm. I have already explained you what a lemma is and what we are going to learn in this chapter in my previous video. Please go through that link which is given in the description box and watch the previous video to understand the concept clearly. And now today we are going to learn what is Euclid's division lemma or what is Euclid's division algorithm. I have said you that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have learned in the previous previous video, and now here we are going to use the same thing in small certain different letters we are using here. Now this is the statement for the Euclid's division lemma. Given any two positive integers, the integers can be any two, a and b, and for these two integers there exist two unique integers, q and r, and they satisfy this situation: a is equal to bq plus r, where a is a dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient, and r is remainder. If you want, you can write here a is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient, and r is remainder. There is a condition here given that the r, that is remainder, should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. Less than b means b is the divisor. Always you divide any two numbers, the remainder is less than the divisor. So this is the condition which we should follow here always. And what we are going to do with this lemma now, we can find the HCF of two positive numbers using Euclid's division algorithm. So this is the following method shows us how to find the HCF of two given numbers using Euclid's division lemma or algorithm. Let us take one example to find the HCF of any two numbers. So this is one example which we are going to find HCF of 512 and 1280 using Euclid's division algorithm. Before that, let us write what is algorithm. A is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. Now how we are going to find the HCF of these two numbers? It is very simple and very easy. First, identify which is the greater number amongst two. So the greater number here is 1280. So we can write 512 is smaller than 1280, and because of that we will divide 1280 by 512. Let us divide it at one side. 512, we will divide 1280 by 512. Now 512, once the 512 will get 512 2s are 1024 we will be getting. And now we know the division rule, we have to subtract. The remainder will be 6 5 2 0. So here we have got the remainder 256. You can observe 256 is smaller than the divisor. 256 is smaller than the divisor, that is b. So let us write it as the algorithm, that is lemma here. A is dividend and here dividend is 1280. So 1280 is equal to divisor is 512 into quotient is 2 plus remainder is 256. 256 we have got. But did we get the HCF of these two numbers? Not yet. Why? We have to get the remainder 0. Until then we have to keep dividing the numbers. Now how we will get remainder 0 here? Once we get the remainder 0, then we will obtain the HCF. How to divide further? Now 256 is a remainder for the first division. We have to take this as divisor for the next division, and we will divide the previous divisor, that is 512. Let us divide here. So 256 2s are 512. So if we subtract, here the remainder is 0. In two steps itself we have got the remainder 0. Let us write this also as algorithm. 512 is the dividend for this division and 256 is the divisor. quotient is again 2 plus the remainder is 0. Once we get the remainder 0, we have to observe what is the divisor here. The divisor is 256. So this divisor 256 will be the HCF of these two numbers. So we can write HCF of 512 and 1280 is equal to 256, because when we divide these number by 256, the remainder is 0. This is how we can find the remainder of we can find the HCF of any two numbers using Euclid's division algorithm. Now this is one example for you. This is like assignment. Find the HCF of 4095 and 378 by division algorithm method. I have given here use division algorithm to find HCF 4052 and 12. One more example. It is the example 3. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 4052 and 12576. I have given the answer for first 63. Do find the answer for example 3 and write in the comment section below. If you understood the concept, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Ask your more friends and relatives, those who are studying in class 10, to subscribe the channel so that you will get benefited by this channel. Thank you.